Hi everybody, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I will be making southern fried apples. You know those fried apples you have on a Sunday morning, either before or after church at grandma's house? You know, with the whole spread laid out when you had the biscuits, sausage, eggs, all that. Those are these apples, okay? And they're so quick and easy to make, and you don't even need much, so anybody can make them. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so I use Gala apples because I like the texture and the flavor of them. However, you can use Granny Smith apples. Gala apples are a little bit smaller than the Granny Smith, but they'll work just fine. So I'm going to peel them, core them, and slice them up. Okay, now I'm going to add my sliced apples to my 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, next step is to slice a lemon and squeeze half of that lemon over your apples. Now I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to my apples. Okay, here I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And just like that, we are done with our southern fried apples. Like I said before, we have it as a side dish on a Sunday morning's breakfast in my house. However, you can have it as a side dish for dinner or even for dessert with some butter pecan ice cream or some vanilla bean ice cream. It'll be delicious either way. So thank you again for watching my video on how to make southern fried apples. Thank you to my subscribers and to my new viewers. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye-bye.